Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set parental control on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. You can find search section and go to the last, the author, new. You can find the fourth option, go to the second, the parental control, and you can enable the kids mode, you can add passcode, you can enable the content filter, and you can add kids collection. And you can add different collection. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.